software, that is HotelX. So this is the complete dashboard. You can have a complete view on a single page. Like from here, you can see all information on today basis, on weekly basis, and monthly basis. So, this section will be showing you the upcoming bookings. These are the bookings that are yet to be checked in. Ongoing bookings are the bookings or the guests that are already staying in your hotel, and these are the guests that have been checked out. From here, you can get to know about the new bookings, number of new bookings, then number of cancelled bookings, and here the customers or the guests that have not showed up. From here, you can view your total number of bookings, and that too from n number of sources. Like from walking, how many guests have arrived, or bookings have arrived from any other OTA platforms. How many bookings have arrived, like that. From here, you can get to know about the guest retention rate. Many a times there are repetitive guests in our hotels, so from this percentage, you can get to know how many guests are repeating. From here, you can get to know about the customer feedback on your various services, like on cleanliness, food, service, ambience, staff, and that too on various platforms. So you can work accordingly on those functionalities. From this category, you can see the occupancy stats. This gives you a graphical representation of the occupancy and availability of your rooms. Like red shows the number of percent of rooms available, green shows how many what is the percent of rooms that are totally occupied, and the third one is the gray colored ones that show how many rooms, what percent of rooms. From here, percent of rooms that need maintenance. From here, number of rooms that need maintenance. So from here you can get to know about the number. From here you can get to know about the percent. From this category, you can get to know about the total sales that has took place in today, weekly or monthly basis. So in total, sales from n number of categories, like through your rooms, through your restaurant, through your laundry, and any other such kind of service. The last section shows the payment section, total number of payments that have been generated, and how much of payment you have received from cash, from UPI, from online, that is credit cards and all, and what payment is yet due that customer needs to pay you back. So this was a brief description about the dashboard we have. That's all for today. Thank you.